This is OBDLink MX Plus, definitely best ELM327 adapter you can buy. You also got this cover for it, and the adapter comes with 3 years warranty. The best part of OBDLink is that with this adapter you are able to connect not only to your smartphone but also to laptop as well. When you buy this adapter, you are also getting access to OBDLink smartphone app and also to OBDV's laptop OBD2 software. Okay, so this is main menu for OBDLink app, and I will briefly show you what it can do. First, you can use it to view this dashboard page, which monitors live data. This page is fully customizable. You can input any data you want and also select between different designs. See how nice and smoothly are they changing. That is also advantage of OBDLink. I know it's a little bit more expensive than other ELM adapters, but at least you are getting extremely fast response. And if your car supports it, you might be able to even cast this data directly on your car's radio. Next, you can check your readiness monitors. So basically this app will tell you if your car will pass state emission inspection. If the car is in good health, you will see a lot of these green ticks, and I have a lot of these warning ones. So car is definitely not in a good shape. With this map function you can monitor where you are driving and also check your vehicle speed. Okay, this is the recording of my drive. The color is indicating the engine speed or vehicle speed. Now the probably most important function will be this diagnostics, so reading codes, live data and other diagnostic functions. OBDLink app will also tell you what type of code you have, either confirmed, pending or some other type, like for example permanent. You can check freeze frame data, live data parameters from the time when this code was stored into ECU. These are global OBD live data, which should be available on every vehicle. Done. Now I have this live data page I can look at. You can also check those live data in form of graphs with these logs. Here you can build your custom graph. You can look at 4 different graphs at once. Also customize this graph, change the colors for each item. Okay, now let me disconnect from the app and I will show you OBDV software for laptop. Okay, so this is OBDV software. You are also getting access to this one for free. When you buy OBDLink, you can read codes. You can erase that code like with any other OBD software. You can check your dashboards. Same as in the app, you can select which data you want to look at. You can see your readiness monitors and also check your live data graphs. Configure them how you like, and you can also create this complex diagnostic report.